Okay, so the first step you would want to do, we're just going to work from light color to dark. So when I look at the picture, yellow is the lightest. So I'm going to go and I'm going to wet my paints. There's green in here. It's not good. I'm going to clean that out a little bit. So you want to wet your paints so they're wet. So we're going to use, what, like 4 colors, and then black at the end. Okay, so I look at the picture and I see that there's like a light yellow. If there's light yellow, I can make it lighter in the side here. I actually see that in the beak, there's a line here that separates the yellow, like that. So I'm going to paint in here, and it's super light right there. But then in the back, there's even some yellow here, tiny bit. I'm going to quickly do that top background and show you how. We're going to do the background at the same time. So here it's that messy technique. I'm just going to add some water there. And then I have those colors already mixed up. So I'm going to, this is kind of wet on wet. I put water first. Now I'm going to drop in yellow, orange, and I'm going to put a good amount. And then a little red. Ooh, that's a lot of red. Okay, see how I did that? Now watch, I'm going to blow it. And then it has that cool effect. Like that. And then I can kind of leave it alone. I can add a little bit more red if I wanted it darker. And then I'm going to do that around here too. It's okay if you get it in a little bit because we're putting black in. So yellow, orange, and you can add a little water. And you blow. Then I'm going to do it down here. And I'll do the blue separately because blue, if it's mixed with brown, will make brown. I mean, if it's mixed with orange, it's going to turn brown. And if it's mixed with yellow, you're going to get green. So we're going to do brown, blue separately. You can splatter it. You can do it a couple times if you want. Okay, I'll do a tint blue right here. So if you want to lighten your color, you got to lighten it on the side here in the palette. No, the computer does. Okay, so I also see blue actually under here in the tail a little bit. A little bit.
Do you have to put a lot of water in order to do the bone effect?
Yeah, you do.